you're in an amusement park, you're in Disney World. You're not going to Disney World to wear the perfect heels and the perfect dress and just take photographs. You're in that amusement park to enjoy the damn rides.
Yeah.
You're in it to be a child. Like, live it. You wait 2 hours in queue for a 1 minute ride and you feel all the sensations in your body until you want to throw up and you still enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
Life is just that. It is an amusement park. You have all sorts of experiences here. But instead of living them, we're so busy just trying to capture it. For whom? Who's interested?
Yeah.
Who's interested? Live it.
Yeah.
Don't just collect proof that I lived it, but you never really did.
You have mentioned there were a lot of beliefs you have worked on. Which was the hardest belief which took time for you to break it? Anything comes on your mind?
That everybody else is more important than me.
It took
That
time.
the world around me is more important than me. That I don't matter.
Yeah. Now you
And
matter
we do
to
matter.
the world.
Yes. Each one of us matters. And, each soul has a specific journey. Not everybody is designed for a career. Not everybody is designed for money. Not everybody is designed for fame. Some people are designed to just be. And then just for them, just being is healing their own families just by their presence. A very important lesson for me in this journey was to not compare my journey with anyone else's. I lost a lot of years of my life trying to tell myself that everybody else had a better life than me. When everybody else, all my other friends were having fun and traveling the world and doing jobs and making money, I was married at 20. When everybody else was dating other people, I was sitting with 2 children at the age of 24 and 25. When other friends of mine were all traveling the world with the money that they had made and, getting awards here and there, I was a sulking housewife, stuck with taking care of my children. Today I look back and I feel like at that time I felt कि वो गलत हुआ. वो नहीं होना चाहिए था. I should have married a little later. I should have known myself better. Today I think it was the best thing that ever happened to me. Because I now look at the lives of some friends who are now 40, still looking for a partner, who are now 44, still looking to have a baby. And I have finished all of those parts of my life. And I am now on a upward swing towards my career. हर एक की जर्नी अलग ही होती है. We are all different planets. We all have a specific orbit. और हम लोग सब अपने अपने ऑर्बिट्स पे कुछ फास्ट जा रहे हैं, कुछ स्लो जा रहे हैं. लेकिन जो स्लो जा रहा है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो इन्फीरियर है दूसरे प्लैनेट से जो फास्ट जा रहा है. Right? Earth, Jupiter, Mars, all of them have a different speed of rotation, revolution. We are all just like that. We can just honor our own pace, our own speed, our own timing of life. हम सबको वही लेसन सीखने हैं. Same to same lesson सीखने हैं. अलग अलग वक्त पे.
Why is it so? We are paced, very differently in this whole ecosystem.
It's just that we are all stuck in our egos and we are all stuck in stories that it should be like this. It should be perfect. It should be easy. It should be flawless. It should be dramatic. Till we sit in our shoulds, we won't be able to be in the present. We won't be able to enjoy what is. Until we sit in our shoulds, our learning time becomes longer and longer. So that's why the gurus talk so much about their egos, no? And don't sit in your past, don't sit in your future, be in the present. The present is going to go away. All of that knowledge is just this, that accept the moment as it is. Because this is going to pass and the next moment you're going to crave for this one. वो हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि आज वही आज है जिसका आप कल वेट कर रहे थे. लेकिन जब हम आज में आए हैं तो आज हम किसी और कल का वेट कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
We're all dying to live a different day, but we are not living it when it comes. We're just dying. We're just going closer and closer to dying. And then we look back and we'll be like, "Arey yaar, जी लेते थोड़ा सा
उस moment में.
उस moment में." The biggest courage I had to display was going from a point of no career to having a career. From being a homemaker to being somebody who was a homemaker and a working woman. That was terrifying. That was so scary because I was a home science graduate and I failed maths all my life.
Okay.
I couldn't do numbers. I couldn't do science. I was not an intelligent student. I was a below average student. And no one ever told me that I was good enough. Nobody. Not a teacher, not family, not friends. I was told that I was lazy, that I cannot do much, that my life will be run by the partner I marry. And you just, just sit in the background. From there, like from being a passenger to becoming a driver who doesn't know how to drive, who doesn't even have a car, that journey was filled with apprehension, worry, anxiety. Oh my God, what if I fail? Oh my God, can I do this? Oh my God, are they going to judge me? Oh my God, will I ever make enough money? Oh my God, are they going to hate me? That was a tough one. But I'm so glad I took it. I'm so glad I took that journey. Because me just talking about that journey helps a lot of other women who are on the same journey right now.
Yeah.
That it's going to be hard. It's going to be difficult.
Yeah.
There are going to be nights when you're going to be anxious. And there are going to be days when you can beat that anxiety as well. That was not an easy decision.